Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Google Pixel 3. Now, I managed to get my hands on the white, I think it's clearly white, is it? Yes, the clearly white 64GB version, and I picked this up at my JB Hi-Fi down in Australia. I know you could get this, maybe people got it a bit earlier, but yeah, I decided to have a look in store instead of waiting for shipping and stuff like that, just in case things got delayed. But here's the box in all its four corners, and I think we're just going to rip this right open. I'm interested in seeing the wide pixel buds, if they're called that. Out comes the box. Okay, nice, okay. Yeah, so the wide headphones that you get with this. There we go, that looks nice. Let's set that aside. Look at the paperwork inside. Okay, so we have the SIM ejection tool and other documents. Do I get Google stickers? Is that a thing? Ooh, nice, okay. That's some Google stickers for you right there. And SIM ejection, I probably need that because I don't have anything else to open it with. Okay, here we go. Oops. That actually comes like that. Adjust and fit. Okay, so that's what you get. Press and hold to talk to your Google Assistant. Volume and control. So that is great. I've always wanted a working kind of headphones, if that makes sense. I want to try these out. If these are similar to the Pixel Buds, that'd be quite nice. Let's just have a look at them real quick. So that's the controller. Looks cool. And here are the adjustable things. So they slide. How do I do this? Yes, oh, I pull it on this side. Can adjust them for big earlobes, not earlobes, big ears, I think. And that looks pretty good. I saw some pictures online and they were quite dirty. I guess that's just unfortunate, but these ones look pretty good. Okay, we can set that aside as well. Not too interesting, but a very nice addition, nonetheless. Okay, lots of stuff to look at. Okay, we have our charging cable. As usual, Type-C to Type-C. We have our lovely headphone jack dongle. And some sticky tape. Maybe it's so hot down here, the sticky tape got less sticky. But yeah, we have the Type-C to USB-A female adapter here. Good for when you set up your Pixel. And of course the Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. Very important, as I think I lost my first one, and the one I got from the Google store broke, so think of that what you will. And our charging brick. I don't think this is different from the one that came with the Pixel 2. Who am I kidding? I don't remember anything about my charging block. But yeah, that's great. They give you one. Okay, so that's everything out of the box. Hopefully it already comes somewhat charged. Okay. Let's do the obligatory unwrapping. And I have to remain silent for this portion. Ooh, it's always nice holding up a new phone. I think we'll just zoom in here a little bit. So there it is. And when I was in store touching the back here, it does not feel like glass at all. It's it feels rubberized, but that's kind of the the frosting on the glass there. I think that's what it was anyways, but there we go. So let's turn this guy on, see if it has any juice in it. And it does, so let's set that aside there. And here's the Pixel 2 for comparison. And I think it's already done turning on. So this is mine. So it's pretty much the same size. And it's just, I think, it's more rounded. It's got that more rounded look and feel to it. So I'm going to unlock this, and I think we're going to start setting this up. Whoops, go back. We need to change this to English, Australia. It means that we'll have to override some settings to get, I think it was, call screening and other US exclusives. But for now, I think we'll just eject my SIM and plug it in. This goes back in there. And this one gets put in at the bottom. Now I'm glad I picked the white one here. I was gonna get the not pink color, but they didn't have any in stock. But I just like the accented power button. Something that's pretty neat, although totally unnecessary. But now I think it's very necessary. Oh man, I think this thing is just so good to hold. Yeah, okay. I can touch that later. I'll just connect it to the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, touching the sensor. I'm not sure if there are any improvements to the pixel imprint, but it still feels very snappy. Yes, okay. They should already have my voice, a model of my voice, so that's fine. Yeah, I told you so. You're all set. Squeeze for your assistant. I felt like the squeeze was a bit more natural. It felt better to squeeze. Always on display, yes. The now playing stuff. I think there's the history now. You can look at the history of the songs that it detects. I want to hide sensitive content. Additional apps, no thank you. And I'm finished for now. Yeah, maybe they'll send me some promotional items. Anyway, so they didn't copy some of the stuff, which is fine. And now it's gonna finish up some things. Okay. I guess that's it. So that's the Google stuff and the usual things here. Okay. I don't think there's much of a difference, I guess, in terms of software, so everything you've kind of already seen on the Pixel 2 will be just like what it is on the Pixel 3. So I guess it just leaves me to customize everything. I'll probably root this phone very soon, and since it's already available to be rooted, which is nice, so yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and please stay tuned for some Pixel 3 videos coming up sometime later.